Hey Guru, I've been hearing a lot about INP lately. What is it?
INP stands for Interaction to Next Paint. It's a performance metric that measures how quickly a website reacts to user interactions. For example, if you click on a link, how long does it take for the page to load and for the link to be activated?
So, it's like a measure of how responsive a website is?
Exactly. A website with a high INP will feel slow and unresponsive to users, which can lead to them abandoning the site. This can negatively impact a website's search engine rankings.
That sounds bad.
It is. That's why INP is becoming increasingly important for SEO. Websites with good INP scores are more likely to rank higher in search results.
So, how can I improve my website's INP score?
There are a number of things you can do. First, you need to optimize your images and videos. Large images and videos can slow down your website's load time. You can use a tool, like TinyPen, to reduce the file size of your images without sacrificing quality. For videos, you can use a tool, like Handbrake, to encode them in a more efficient format.
Got it.
Second, you need to minify your JavaScript and CSS files. Minifying these files will reduce their size and make them load faster. You can use a tool like JSMin or JSMin to minify your JavaScript and CSS files.
Okay.
Third, you can use a caching plugin. A caching plugin can store static files on your server so that they don't have to be loaded from the internet every time someone visits your website. This can significantly improve your website's load time.
That sounds like a good idea.
Finally, you can use a CDN that can deliver static files from servers that are closer to your users, which will improve your website's load time. This is especially important if you have a global audience.
That's a lot of stuff to remember.
It is, but it's worth it. Improving your website's INP score can have a big impact on your SEO and rankings in search results.
Thanks for the tips, Guru. I'll definitely look into improving my website's INP score. This is a lot of work, but it's worth it. I want my website to be as responsive as possible. Wow, that was a lot of work, but it paid off. My website's INP score is much better now. Here is some more tips. Indifferent. Use a web performance testing tool. A web performance testing tool can help you identify areas where your website can be improved. Optimize your website for mobile. More and more people are using their mobile devices to access the internet, so it's important to make sure that your website is optimized for mobile devices. Test your website regularly. It's important to test your website regularly to make sure that its INP score is still good. If you see that your INP score has dropped, you can take steps to improve it.